Tell me about your press, Ron.
Well, this is a Jim Hyde style H-frame press. A lot of people call and they ask questions about it all the time. Fuad has agreed to come over here and make a short film to introduce everybody to the Claiborne press. We're going to show you a few things that it can do, and if we got time, we may show you a few things you shouldn't do. If you feel like you have any other questions, be sure you can call me at any time. If I don't answer the phone, I've got machines running around here. But leave a number, I'll call you back. The press comes with 4 dies at $3,500. You buy all 8 sets of dies that I do make for the press, it'll run $4,100. The agreement is if you pay a deposit, 50% deposit down, I'll build it, and then you pay the balance when you receive the press. If you have any special needs for your dies or whatever, we can talk about those also. Other than that, we're just going to show you a few things here today to kind of introduce you to our press. We're real proud of it. It's come a long way since we started, and we'd like to know what you think about it. Thank you very much.